Hey guys, it's Aubrey and Tara, and welcome back to our channel. It's blackberry season, so today we're going to be making blackberry crisp.
This blackberry crisp is loaded with sweet blackberries and topped in a buttery crisp topping.
If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below.
And without further ado, let's get started.
Starting off, in a large bowl, add in 5 cups of blackberries, a quarter cup of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of flour. Adding the flour prevents the berries from getting watery when they're cooked. Now add in the zest from 1 lemon and juice from half of that same lemon. Adding the lemon zest and juice makes this crisp so good. Now stir that until everything is combined. So if you didn't know, we live in the Pacific Northwest, and right now there are blackberries growing everywhere. They grow like weeds, so we had to make a blackberry dessert, and this is definitely one of our favorites. Pour the blackberry mixture into a 2-quart baking dish and spread it out evenly. Also, if you don't like blackberries, you can replace them with other berries like raspberries, strawberries, or blueberries. Set aside because now we're going to make the crumble topping. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together 1.5 cups of oats, and you can use either rolled oats or quick oats. Today we're using quick oats. Then add in half a cup of packed brown sugar, a quarter cup of flour, half a cup of melted butter, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until combined. And for this recipe, we made sure that there is enough topping because we love the topping, and usually the berry part overpowers the topping, but not in this recipe. Now pour the crumble mixture over the blackberries and spread out evenly. This is probably, if not the most, the easiest thing you can bake because it's so versatile and you just can't go wrong with it. Then bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes or until golden brown and the blackberries are bubbling through. Let cool for a few minutes before serving. Then top with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a few blackberries, and a sprig of mint. And now you are ready to enjoy.
This is definitely the best blackberry crisp I've ever tried. I love it so much.
And if you guys like extra topping, this is definitely for you.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you next week.
Bye!